Now invite Dr. Ajantha Keshavaraj, President of the Association of Sri Lankan Neurologists for 2025-2026 to deliver the welcome address to formally welcome everyone present here, and this will be followed by the presidential address. Over to you, Doctor.
Good evening. On behalf of the Association of Sri Lankan Neurologists, it is with immense pleasure and pride that I warmly welcome each and every one of you in the inauguration of Jaffna Stroke Symposium and Regional Meeting year 2025. It's truly a historical event, and to be gathered here in the northern capital at this iconic venue, bringing together clinicians, academics, policymakers, partners in care, and all united by a shared goal to transform the landscape of stroke care in Sri Lanka. We are deeply honored by the presence of several distinguished guests this evening. Our chief guest, Professor Jayaraj Thuraipandiyan, the president of the World Stroke Organization, a global leader in stroke medicine, whose presence here today reflects our growing international collaboration and shared commitment to betterment of stroke outcome. Our guest of honor, Professor Vasanthi Arasaratnam, Vice Chancellor of Northern Uni, former Vice Chancellor and the Dean, Faculty of Medicine, University of Jaffna. Your lifetime of service to academic and the health sciences, particularly in Northeastern province, continue to inspire us. Our chief guest, Professor Roshan G. Rajal of Department of Computer Engineering, the University of Peradeniya, a visionary in digital health and technology, whose work pride disciplines and hold enormous potentials for neurology and stroke care. We are honored by the presence of Professor Ranjani Gamage, a founding president of Association of Sri Lankan Neurologists, the visionary behind the National Epilepsy Center. We also warmly welcome Dr. Gamini Patrana, the president of the National Sri Lankan Stroke Association, for your ongoing efforts in public awareness and community-based stroke prevention. In addition, Dr. Purnima Vimalaratne, a provincial director, Eastern Province, your presence today reflects our united vision of strengthening stroke care across all the region of the country. More than that, Dr. Thangamuthu Satyamurthy, the Director of Teaching Hospital, Jaffna, thank you for your ongoing support and partnership in hosting this event and enhancing the specialty care in Northern Province. Our warm welcome to our past president, Professor Saraji, and also the Professor Dr. Suganthan, the president of Jaffna Medical Association. We are warmly welcome you all at this occasion. Dr. R. Kamal Raj, representing the Battigalow Medical Association, we thank you for standing with us in a regional collaboration and clinical expense. In addition, we sincerely thanks to our own ASN Council members and the Joint Secretaries, Dr. Tivaharan and Dr. Roshani, Dr. Kishara Gunaratna, Treasurer, for your dedication and teamwork throughout the year. And to all respectful consultants, medical officers, neurologists across Sri Lanka, and all the allied health workers, and the well-wishers and volunteers, your presence and the contributions are what truly make this symposium a dynamic and inclusive success. Today marks more than to start the symposium. It marks the renewed commitment and collaboration, equity and academic strength across geography, across discipline, and across institution. Thank you very much for all being here in the evening. Before starting the presidential address, I like to address again the honorable guests, respected teachers, distinguished colleagues, and well-wishers, and dear friends. It is both an honor and deeply humbling experience to address you this evening at the ceremonial inauguration of Jaffna Stroke Symposium and ASN Regional Meeting on the occasion of my induction as President of Association of Sri Lankan Neurologists. This moment is personally meaningful, but more importantly, it marks a collective celebration of the progress we have made as a professional community and the path we continue to shape together. Our association is not just an organization, it is a vibrant community dedicated to advancing the field of neurology. We are committed to improve the patient care, fostering research, and enhance education. I am proud to be surrounded by some of the brightest minds in the field, and I am reminded of the countless hours of hard work and the dedication that each of you contribute to our shared mission. Together, we have potential to make significant strides that will positively impact both our professional growth as well as the well-being of the patients and the society as a whole body. The journey of neurology in Sri Lanka is a history of vision and leadership. It began with the pioneering work of Dr. J.B. Pieris, our country's first neurologist, who laid in the foundation for the specialist with dedication and brilliance. He established clinical neurology in Sri Lanka, mentored generation of neurologists, and remains a patron of our association. A towering figure whose legacy continues to guide us. In the history of ASN, a major shift came in year 1984 with the establishment of the National Institution of Neurology at National Hospital of Sri Lanka, a comprehensive facility initiated through public donation. Around this time, the services began to expand beyond the capital city. As a specialty matured, the need for unified professional body became clear. It was this spirit that two leading neurologists, Dr. Bimsara Senanayake and Dr. Arjuna Fernando, convened the first neurology forum in year 2006. At this meeting, Dr. Bimsara Senanayake presented a compelling case for forming a national association, drawing a parallels with the Association of British Neurologists and how it elevated the field in the UK. The response was anonymous, and thus the Association of Sri Lankan Neurologists was born. Today, every province in Sri Lanka hosts a neurology center. Over 25 board-certified neurologists are in service. With more in training, the subspecialties like pediatric neurology, electrophysiology have been route Investigation tools like MRI are increasingly available, though the distribution is uneven. During the journey of the Association of Sri Lankan Neurologists, we can't forget an iconic lady, that is Professor Ranjani Gamage, my mentor. It's my pleasure to say a few words about my mentor, Professor Ranjani Gamage. Professor Ranjani Gamage, as the inaugural president of Association of Sri Lankan Neurologists, a neurologist of great distinction who played a transformative role in uplifting our field. Her vision led to establishment of the National Epilepsy Center, a landmark achievement that not only advanced care of epilepsy patients, but also the position Sri Lanka as a regional leader in the neurology services. Professor Ranjani Gamage, a pioneer in interventional neurology, she introduced baclofen pump for spasticity and superhead epilepsy surgeries for intractable seizures. She led island-wide epilepsy awareness campaign and developed national epilepsy guidelines. Her clinical excellence and compassionate care have earned widespread respect, especially among communities in North and Eastern provinces. The theme of this year 2025 is Integrated Neurology for Transformative Outcomes. This integration focuses on unifying neurology related to health professionals at various levels of knowledge, demonstrating where the neurological transformation has already been done. By doing so, we expect a transformative outcome, a greater efficiency, as well as enhanced quality of life in the following area. The most important one is the health. Improving patients' care status significantly by improving the effective services in chronic illnesses, and also improving the knowledge by creating innovative teaching methods not only for patients but also the medical and non-medical professionals, and also help to improve the economy of our country. It is very wanted at the moment. By achieving this theme, we have two major objectives, such as elevate the clinical standards in neurology. It's by striving to achieve and maintain the highest standard of clinical excellence in practice of neurology in Sri Lanka. This objective aims to enhance the patient's care, ensure optimal treatment, and strengthen the reputation of neurology as a specialty. Secondly, foster education and research. Promote a culture of continuous medical education, training, and research in technology and neurology. Through the innovative educational initiative and research collaboration, we will equip neurologists with the knowledge and skill necessary to advance clinical practices and therapeutic approaches. To achieve the target, we set three main specific objectives, such as advocate for neurological services, collaborate with government entities, and enhance interdisciplinary cooperations. The Jaffna Stroke Symposium with purpose in the transformative outcome of the theme, what we aim to get it. The 3 days stroke symposium is a testament of how far we have come. It brings together experts across Sri Lanka and around the world, from India, Singapore, and the UK, Australia, to share cutting-edge knowledge, clinical experience, and collaborative solutions to improve stroke care, a burning issue not only in Sri Lanka, but it's worldwide. We will explore the stroke from every angle, from global burden, emergency response, to thrombectomy selection, post-stroke rehabilitation, and emerging innovations. The parallel sessions for allied health professionals are a powerful reminder that the stroke care doesn't end at diagnosis. It continues across discipline and stages of recovery. That we gather here in Jaffna is deeply significant. It represents our commitment, an inclusive island-wide care, and a strong signal that academic excellence and equitable services must go hand to hand. We are proud to bring this symposium to North, and we hope it will be a catalyst for further collaboration and services development in the region. As a role as a president of ASN, I do with a clear sense of purpose. I chose Northern Province as a region to equip this theme by observing the limited stroke units established in North and Eastern Province, inadequate rehabilitation services existing in our part of region, and found to have low thrombolysis rate due to late presentation and high prevalence of uncontrolled hypertension. And to achieve this target, to strengthen the stroke network and to power the next generation of neurologists through mentorship and research, our team worked together, the council, volunteer services, as well as the world-renowned expertise. They spent time with us to educate our part of region. I extend my heartfelt thanks to organizing committee of this symposium for your exceptional dedication and teamwork. Our international faculties and collaborators whose contribution elevate this meeting. The past president and the council members of ASN for laying strong foundation. And to all of you, for your trust, your support, and your tireless work in improving neurological care in Sri Lanka. I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our organization and all individuals who contributed to raise the funds for Jaffna Stroke Symposium. Your support has been invaluable to our cause. At the outset, I want to extend our sincere thanks to Professor Umapati for his tireless efforts in helping us connecting with individuals from Northern and Eastern provinces. His commitment and dedications have played a crucial role in our fundraising program. So the success of the first day event is the ultimate destiny. We have registered with 180 medical professionals for the very first day program. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a good evening once again.